Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So let's unbox this OnePlus 6 and let's take a first look. So guys, after waiting for a whole week, I finally got the OnePlus 6. Let's do the honors of unboxing. So let's remove it from the Amazon's packaging. So this is a box guys. 6 is engraved here. First, let's remove the plastic wrapping. Nasty reflections. On the back, we got some information. The side says the speed you need. The bottom contains some import information. Now, holding the box in the air, the bottom part drops. In the box, first we got the phone itself. Wow, the mirror black. Let's remove this. Wow. Moving in, we got some reading materials, OnePlus stickers, SIM ejector pin and a good quality case. Then we got this mighty dash charger, a red USB Type-C cable and a dash charging adapter which has the output rating of 5V 4 amperes. Now guys, let's take a look at the phone itself. Till it's booting up, let me give you the physical overview of this phone. Start with the back. Of course, we got the dual camera setup. The primary sensor is 16 megapixel with the aperture of f1.7 and 1/26 inch sensor size, which is quite big, and it supports OIS 2, which is really good. And the secondary sensor is 20 megapixel with the aperture of 1.7 with the same focal length, and you can shoot 4K videos up to 60 fps and up to 480 fps in 720p, which is freaking awesome. Then below that, we got dual LED flash, fingerprint scanner, OnePlus logo and a design by OnePlus text. By the way, back is protected with the Gorilla Glass 5, which is really nice. Now on the bottom, it has speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone and thankfully a 3.5mm headphone jack. The top contains secondary noise cancellation microphone. On the right, we got power button, alert slider and some antennas. The left has volume rockers, some antennas and SIM tray which takes only 2 nano SIMs, no SD card support here. Now, let's move to the front which has the notch. Yes, we are in 2018. In the notch, you get some sensors, multicolored notification LED, earpiece, 16 megapixel front facing camera with the aperture of f2.0. Then we have 6.28 inches optic AMOLED display with the resolution of 2280 by 1080p with the aspect ratio of 19:9. And the front is also protected by Gorilla Glass 5. The bottom has very small chin which is very nice. Now let's talk about the internals. So it is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, which is latest flagship from Qualcomm, with Adreno 630 GPU which helps in graphic intensive tasks. Then we have 6 or 8 GB RAM option and up to 256 GB internal storage. But this is a 6 GB RAM 64 GB internal storage variant. And for powering everything, we have the 3300 mAh battery. With this battery, the weight is 177 grams, but the phone feels really premium in hand. Nice and thin at 7.8mm. So now with that 845, the phone runs like a champ, but saying anything this early is not a viable option. So wait for the full review. But as of the first impression, this is the speed you need. Talking about those cameras, these are some quick samples that I took over here. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And don't worry, the full camera review is coming soon. As of the first impression, the display is quite impressive, supports HDR2, but for now I don't like the notch because the battery percentage and VLT icon is hidden in the status bar. But what do you guys think about the notch? Let me know in the comments. So guys, these are my first impression of this smartphone. I would say very impressed. If you wanna buy it, the affiliate link is present in the description. It helps the channel without costing you any extra penny if you use that Amazon's affiliate link. So that's all in this video guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, then hit that like button, and if you loved it, then hit that subscribe button and press that bell notification icon so you will be notified when a new video goes live on this channel. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.